We have to now move on, and there's an update coming from the state of Uttar Pradesh. From Varanasi specifically, we are getting to know that Gyanvapi Masjid Committee has handed over a 1700 square feet separate plot of land in periphery of the Kashi Vishwanath Gyanvapi Masjid complex for the under construction Kashi Vishwanath Temple Corridor project. This happened on the request of the administration, and on the other hand, in lieu of the plot which is separate from the land on which the mosque is situated, the mosque committee in fact has received 1000 square feet at a distance of 100 meters from there. Listen in.
एक्चुअली हमारा एक प्लाट था 8276 जो तकरीबन 1700 स्क्वायर फीट का था। प्रशासन को जब ये कॉरिडोर बना रहा था तब से उन्हें परेशानी ये थी कि रास्ता उनके लिए कम पड़ा। तो उन्होंने हमसे तब निकला साहब ने कई बार हमसे कहा कि यासीन साहब अगर ये प्लाट आप अगर दे दें तो मतलब एक कॉरिडोर के लिए बहुत बड़ा कदम होता है। तो हमने अपने लोगों से बात किया, अपने समाज के लोगों से बात किया, अपने उलमाए कराम से भी फतवे लिए क्या ऐसा संभव है। तो उन लोगों ने कहा हाँ संभव है, आप कर सकते हैं।
So that is the update that we are now getting for you. In fact, the Masjid panel has given land for Kashi Temple project, corridor project there, and there was an exchange of land that happened. That's what we are learning. On one hand, while the Masjid committee, the Gyanvapi Masjid committee in Varanasi handed over 1700 square feet separate plot, in fact, for Kashi Vishwanath Temple corridor, and on the other hand, a separate piece of land has been given to the mosque committee, about 1000 square feet. Now, the registry for the land was done on 8th of July and the land was then handed over subsequently. Now, the joint secretary of the masjid there, the caretaker of the masjid, has said that it was done as a goodwill gesture, and on the other hand, Kashi Vishwanath Temple Trust described it as simply an exchange of plots. Let's go across to Amir Haq joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Amir, can you tell us how was it able to happen? Was it like a long pending issue, or it was a normal exchange of land as it is being cited right now?
Well, as far as the Muslim side is concerned, they said that they had been in talks with the Kashi Vishwanath Temple Trust over the last several months because they clearly understood that if they gave away this 1700 square feet of land to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple Trust, then it will make it easy for them to carve out a corridor as is being worked out right now. About 50 to 60% work at the Kashi Vishwanath corridor is has already been done. They wanted to contribute to it, which was why they were in talks with the Temple Trust people. There were some issues which needed to be ironed out, which were done over the last few months. And they said that opinion of various clerics as well as assent of the Central Sunni Waqf Board was also taken by the Anjuman Intizamiya Committee of the mosque. Of the Gyanvapi Mosque. And finally, when everything was done, this 1700 square feet of land was gifted and in fact was transferred over to the Kashi Vishwanath Trust. So they do claim that this is a goodwill gesture from the side of the
all right. Thank you very much, Amir, for the moment for joining us with all of those details. We'll come back to you for more on this.